It is surrounded by two layers that are tunica vaginalis and tunica albuginea. Tunica vaginalis is the outer layer and tunica albuginea is the inner layer. Here this is a tunica vaginalis. Between tunica vaginalis fluid is there. Is called as serous fluid. And inner layer is a tunica albuginea. Inner layer is extend and form a different compartment like this. The different compartments are called as lobules. In each testis there are around 200 to 300 lobules, and in each lobule there are 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules, minimum 1 and maximum 3 seminiferous tubules. Is called a seminiferous vesicle. Now the stem cell in seminiferous tubule there are sperm formation here. Now stem cells called spermatogonia develop from primordial germ cells and enter testis during 5th week of development. Spermatogonia which remain dormant or inactive during childhood, and it actively produces sperm at puberty. Now in seminiferous tubule, two types of cells. One spermatogenic cells and Sertoli cell. Spermatogenic cells are responsible for formation of sperm, and Sertoli cells are supporting to spermatogenesis. Now Sertoli cells in seminiferous tubule at basement membrane of lumen. These Sertoli cells are extend up to the lumen of tubule, and they are embedded with spermatogenic cells like this. And they extend from basement membrane to lumen of the tubule, and the two neighboring Sertoli cells form a junction that is called as blood testis barrier. Blood testis barrier is mainly responsible for prevent spermatogenic cell from body's immune response. And function of Sertoli cells. The Sertoli cell का main function क्या है? That nourish the spermatocytes, spermatids and sperm, and also the phagocytes access spermatid cytoplasm as development process, and control the movement of the spermatogenic cell and release of sperm into lumen of seminiferous tubule. Now in the interstitial space, here some blood cells. Now in two seminiferous tubule, like this is one seminiferous tubule, this another seminiferous tubule. Between them some cluster of cells are there, like this. Cluster of cells is called as Leydig cells. Is called in the space between the two seminiferous tubule, the cluster of cells are present that called as Leydig cells, and they secrete testosterone, which is the most prevalent androgen. Leading cells secrete testosterone, and it is the main responsible for masculine development of masculine characteristic. It is a masculine characteristic means what? Male characteristics. And it also promotes man's libido, which is a sexual drive.